Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Skills, ticker symbol SKLZ. What a week we had on a very steady and a little bit upcline on the skills this week. But before I talk on the technical side, I'm gonna talk about what are we looking at, right? So, what's the ultimate goal? Well, obviously, for the bullish, we always want to be up, right? So the highest target price you're looking at it is about $15, right? Average is $9.25. We are not even there, folks. We are sitting right here at $5.44. After market is 560, but we are not even close, right? Average. We are sitting at the average low right now. As we speak, we are sitting below average low right now because average low is about $5.50 and we are sitting at $5.54. So this is a very high potential for this stock. You can see clearly sees that how back in April it was roughly about $15, $16, $18, and then it's kind of have trickled down all the way, and you can see now it is kind of making its way for an uptrend right now. So, and which I'll talk about on the technical side. So these are the kind of key levels I want the key price wanted to share with you guys. You know, what's the low, what's the average, and what's the high, and all of you guys can decide your own when you want to sell it, when you want to hold it, and what you're going to do with that stock is all up to you. Not a final advisor, just sharing my knowledge and my technical analysis with you guys with fundamentals on the stocks. So and also wanted to share that earnings is coming up. Yes, it is in March. I believe it's March 6th. Yeah, it's March 6th. In time that we have seen the movement on the stock during that. It is a month out, more than a month out right now. Something to keep an eye because during a month of earnings, you can kind of see a movement on the stock price as well. It's always very tricky with skills on the earnings time. Has not always variable during the skills during the earnings time. So we'll see some upside or maybe some downside during the time. So not a whole lot though, right? If you see these companies in terms of their revenue, sales of that could be higher 44 or could be around a 38 or could be low on 35. So it's kind of in the neutral right now, which but compared to last quarter, right, on 2023, there's a projection of is to be increasing on that, right? So it's a big estimate for them to be coming from 35 to close to 38 in the sales. If it is a 38, it is going to be a good news for the company, means a future growth, and there's a lot of profit is been making with the company. In the last calendar year, Skill has been underperformed in overall industry. Nothing new as expected during changeover and everything. So nothing expected with this company at the moment right now. But the sales revenue is something that kind of keep sales forecast is kind of keep an eye on that, because if it stays high on the revenue side too, right, you might see an uptrend on that because it's a very high potential, right? Let's go talk about the technical side. One of my favorite things. We're going to quickly go on the 5-day chart. You can clearly say that we were sitting at $4.97, kind of making our way up and testing that magic number, $5.75. Hey, folks, don't forget to watch my previous video. I did mention it that it will most likely get rejected, and that is one of the resistance over there. So, and sure enough, we came to 572 today, right? 572 today, and quickly got rejected and even came close, not even close, came close to about 571 and got rejected again, and it kind of wiggled down today and around and closed about 544. After market is about 560, right? What are we looking at in the down to the road or the week upcoming? Some good news. Yes, folks, some good news that I'm looking at it, and I want you guys to share with you. This is a 3-month chart, right? This is my Q support level and my resistance level, right? All the way up high, 570, 575, right? The good news is that on the 3-month chart, we're coming very close. Time and time, we broke this 200 EMA, right? Quickly, who's not familiar with my chart, so I'm going to quickly share with you guys. The pink line is my 200-day EMA, right, which is sitting right now at 556. 556, right? And the purple line right here, right, this one, it is sitting at a 60-day. 60-day EMA is sitting at 453, and you can clearly see that it's been trading in between those two moving average, right? For 6 months, right? Where it has been trading in between those two movements. Even though we dipped out, we came back quickly, and we're trading in between that. RSI still looks good, right? Buyers kind of stepped up a couple days ago, and then kind of gone. Look, and the sellers took over. RSI has a lot of room to move, folks. I have a lot of room to move. I'm gonna check quickly, show you guys the 6-month chart, right? And on my 6 months, you can clearly see that it's trading in between, and it got rejected, right, at 570, right? Mine is 575, but it got rejected at 570, and it's trading in between those two moving averages right now and holding as a support and resistance. Resistance, support. Resistance, support is trading between. RSI still, and MACD looks really good to me, right? Buyers came in today, kind of sell off right there, and the end week the buyers stepped up. RSI has a lot of room to go up, right? And then we're gonna go 1 year. Our 1 year chart, nothing changes. You can clearly say that it's trading between these two moving averages, right? So the upside for a major runoff, it clearly has to be a $10, right? Then we can see that it has trend around the all-time high right here, because that roughly it was it was about $10.50. Then it was roughly around there that it is a reversal, confirmation of reversal. But on the 1 year chart, folks, hold on, folks. 1 year chart, you can clearly see over that we have a changeover. When a changeover happens on a year-to-date chart, a yellow MD, it takes over the blue. It's the reverse signs of a very positive reversal for an uptrend. Everything is pointing for a uptrend right now, right? What could hold us back is, guess? No, none of you guys can guess, right? Because you guys can't speak with me. So the only thing can hold us back is maybe more updates on the earnings can play a big part on that, right? Can you have a reversal on that, or to get rejected quickly, because time and time that's the pink line was always acted as a support, right? Always acted as a support and kind of push the price up there, right? And the blue, even though we had the 60-day and we break through most of the time 60-day, but now it became a big time resistance where we're sitting at $6 and we got rejected quickly. And we are coming to the a player right now where we can gonna see that if he's gonna get rejected or he's gonna break. My prediction is that we're gonna break it. Yes, folks, what I'm thinking is we're gonna break it, right? And I'm gonna make another resistance level, which I'm gonna bring it up here. But I'm going to make another resistance level that why I see it's going to be the next one to keep an eye. It is going to be at $6.09, right? $6.09. We're going to keep an eye during this for the uptrend, right? For the resistance level, because you can see he acted like a support many times. Then he acted as a resistance right here at $6.09. And right here, see, he acted like a resistance, and he acted resistance and acted like a support at the same time. So I'm excited for the week coming up. I can definitely see trading between and go test and break all the way to $6.09. Excuse me, $6.09. Do I see it coming back? We have a support at $5.38, which I'm going to bring it up now because he's going to act as like our support. So $5.35 is going to keep an eye on this channel. I don't mind trading in between and making a way up, right? Because he has been doing it right now. It is an uptrend, right? It is an uptrend from 472 all the way up. So I'm going to make a triangular thing to see if we're going to break out, or are we going to see a downtrend, right? So I'm going to leave it for our next video to see that if it's going to break uptrend or it's going to be a downtrend. Right here. And I'm hoping to see it's going to trade in between this channel and break out. Hey folks, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys had a wonderful week of trading. I'm excited about Sklz. I'm pumped up, and I can clearly see that it is going a potential up breakout, and we might see a massive run coming up, but it is consolidating and increasing at a steady pace, which I like it too about the stock always. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button so you guys can always have an updated video on Sklz or any other stocks that you're looking at it, which I trade on my portfolio. Thank you very much and have a wonderful weekend. See you guys on Monday.